customized anchor pull bracket using the Scotty mount. Pretty much what I did was I went to Granger and I bought a aluminum 3/4, because I mounted an eye bolt to the Scotty mount bracket. Now for those of you that have a the whole BH well in the back, you guys can use this bracket. Just drill a hole in the middle, mount that eye bolt to the side, and I'll show you how it works. And all I do is I mount it around the crossbar here and I cleat it, which I gotta cut the rope and do that, but just want to show you this little feature.
You've got mail.
This pull is aluminum, solid aluminum, and you're gonna need the weight of it to let it drop and go down into the ground. What I did down here was I took the eye bolt, probably gonna put, and I threaded it, but I don't even think you need to do that, thread it. You just probably just get a wing nut. I think I made it a little too low. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.